Welcome to our video on using credit cards online safely. In today's digital world, online shopping has become a vital part of our lives. However, with convenience comes risk. Let's explore some common threats to online credit card safety. Always check for HTTPS in the URL and look for a padlock icon. These are signs of a secure website. Encryption is crucial for safeguarding your information. It scrambles your data, making it unreadable to unauthorized users. Consider using virtual credit cards for added security. They generate temporary numbers that you can use online. Setting up alerts for your credit card activity can help you monitor transactions closely. Always use strong and unique passwords for your accounts. Avoid reusing passwords across different sites. Consider using payment services like PayPal that act as a buffer between you and the merchant. If you suspect fraud on your account, report it immediately to your bank or credit card issuer. Staying informed and proactive about your online security can help you enjoy a safer shopping experience.